Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. Today is a very unique video, I should add, and it is freezing right now, so let's get started into this. With it being freezing, we will get a really nice cold start on the Gallardo this morning, and that is what we are driving to work. But once we get to work, we're going to go into depth of this video and talk about the new Tesla Cybertruck. This is going to be an interesting thing to say the least to talk about, but we'll get into it. Ooh, look at that view right there. This thing looks so mean.
Hey Bug, what happened to your rear bumper you were supposed to put on 4 months ago?
I've been lazy, okay? The bumper is literally sitting there and I have everything to put it on. I just have had no motivation to do so. And having the bumper off, the temps on the car have been a lot lower because the bumper's not trapping in all that heat. So, you know, I don't know. It's going on here pretty soon because we are about to get some snow here in Utah. And I don't want the snow to get all caked up on the engine and the exhaust. So, you guys, the bumper will be going on here any day now. And I know Instagram has seen it, but I'm not sure if you guys have seen the blue wheels yet on the Gallardo. When I bought the car, they came black and they are now blue. What do you guys think about that combo? It really pops. It's pretty loud. But I like it because it is very, very different. I mean, if you want to see stuff like that on Instagram, there you go, Bug BMX. It'll also be right here on the screen. Go give me a follow. We have a problem right now. I just filled up not even 2 days ago, and that's we are sitting on the fuel gauge. This car just eats through fuel like nothing. The fuel light just came on. Alright, so we are finally at the shop. I'm gonna pull my truck out, park it next to the car so we have a really nice backdrop for today. And it's actually gonna be the first time that the Lamborghini meets Mater, the new truck. I wonder if they'll like each other. There you have it, everyone. The first time in history that the new Cybertruck, aka Mater, has finally met its, I guess you'd say, older brother, since this car's much older, the Lamborghini. And it seems as if so far they are getting along. You all already know, gotta get that pic for the IG. Booyah. You guys, if you're not already, go follow me on Instagram. I cannot get over how well both of these vehicles look next to each other, and they're completely different. However, I am thinking, this sparked an idea in my head seeing these next to each other. Who thinks we should make the Lamborghini match Mater with its wrap and the color combo? Let me know down below right now. Stop what you're doing. Should we wrap the Lambo to match the truck. I feel like that would be the ultimate wombo combo. If you guys want me to do it, just let me know down below and throw a like on the video. If this video gets, let's say 10,000 likes, I will match the Lamborghini with the truck, like instantly. I think that would look sweet. Everyone knows by now that my channel is obviously automotive related, and a lot of my content is based off of trucks being, you know, lifted, doing crazy stuff with them. That's really what has built and grown my channel. And Tesla has now finally announced that they have came out with the all-new Cybertruck, and that is what we are going to be discussing in today's video. We should get right into that because, you know, trucks is a huge part, and I love trucks, and the more trucks, the better. Now, if I give you the option to take the keys to the Lambo or the truck, and that's what you have for the rest of your life, which one would you guys pick and why? Honestly, having both of them, I don't know if I could make up my mind right now. They are both so much fun and unique in their own ways. I want to give a huge shout out to my filming crew for helping me today. We have the one and only Stoolie. How's it going? And then we have Laddie the Ladder. You guys, when you spend all your money on cars and trucks, you don't have any leftover money for filming equipment such as tripods. So you have to make do with ladders and stools. So the new Tesla truck, it absolutely has everyone's mind right now just blowing. People really don't know what to think. Some people love it, and a lot of people really truly hate it. Today in this video, I'm gonna kind of be going over some of the key features of it, a lot of the specs, my actual opinion on the vehicle, if I'll be adding one to the channel, if you guys want me to add one to the channel. We're gonna go through all of that. The first thing that I feel we should talk about is the looks of the Tesla truck. I'll throw a picture up right here on the screen if you guys haven't seen it. I'm sure the majority of you have seen it and made your own opinion on how it looks by now. This may be a hard pill to swallow, so give me a sec. Oh, got it. All right. I kind of like how it looks. I have to say, the main reason I like how it looks is because it is so different. It is 100% unique, and it is just a whole new wave. And I feel like that's why so many people are losing their crap over it, because it's so different and out there. Change is good. Now, I have to say, I do feel like they could have done a smidge bit better on the designing of it, but the overall functionality and making the functionality work with the looks of the vehicle, I have to say it's pretty spot on. No, by any means does it have the traditional truck look, which is okay, I feel like. Now, it kind of did catch me off guard. I did think it was going to look like a little more of the concept renderings that people were posting before the actual release date, and those renderings did have more of a truck vibe to it. It definitely looks way different than your average everyday Ram, Ford, or GM Chevrolet truck. And that's why so many people are going crazy, because it doesn't look like any of those. And I see why Elon Musk did that, because he is different, he's an alien, and he likes to separate himself and his brand from everyone else, which is a good thing. What is your guys' thoughts on the look of the Tesla truck? What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? And what do you think that they should have done different? Or do you just completely throw up in your mouth every time you see it? I mean, it kind of does look like a pop can that sat in a fire pit too long, and it's different. It's really different. But again, that's kind of why I'm digging it. Obviously, as you can tell, we like being different. Life is too damn short to be boring. The Cybertruck looks more like my car than my actual truck. they copied Lamborghini with those hard edges. Now, speaking of the Lamborghini, this is a very high performance, technical race car, we shall add. And with some of the specs we'll start to talk about on the Tesla Cybertruck, that truck's actually faster and could beat this car, I'm sure, in the quarter mile, and it could smoke at 0 to 60. And to me, that is just mind-blowing that something that weighs as much as a truck could be so much faster than a Lamborghini Gallardo, but then again, it's all electric. Let's talk specs and kind of get into the technical side of the Tesla Cybertruck. There's 3 different options that you can pick from. There's the single motor, there's the dual motor, and then there is the tri-motor. And if we do add one to the channel and I purchase one, the tri-motor would definitely be the one of my choice. Reason for that is it is the fastest. You get the most range out of miles for it. I believe it is 500 miles on one charge you can get with that truck. And the thing that sells me the most on it is the 0 to 60 is 2.9 seconds. Let me say that again, 2.9 seconds, 0 to 60 in a truck. What? Now this car behind me is 3.9 seconds. Tesla truck, 2.9, Lamborghini Gallardo, 3.9. How, Elon, how do you do it? Now, with there being 3 different options for the trucks, prices can vary for the Tesla Cybertruck. I believe it starts at $39,000 and can make its way all the way up to $79,000, being the most high performance model. And I'm not sure if that is including different packages you can add on to the vehicles. Also, at this point, I'm not sure what color options are available. I don't know if they've talked about that or what, but you know, if I get one, obviously I'm gonna have my boys over at Visual Labs wrap it some crazy cool design. And if I do plan on pre-ordering and getting one in the first place, I would get the most high performance out of it, because on the channel, you know, we put all the vehicles through beatings, we put them to tests, and we do crazy stuff with them. I feel like with that truck, having the triple motors at 2.9 seconds, 0 to 60, I feel like we could do some really insane, mind-blowing things with it. I just feel it would be really good content for the channel. But that's again why I'm making this video, because I'm asking you guys, what do you think? Would you like to see something like that on the channel, or are you just like, no, Bug, don't do it, don't do it? The Tesla, it honestly looks bulletproof. They showed pictures of them shooting a 9mm gun into the side of the door, and the impact was, it was crazy how well it held up and how strong it really was. And then apparently it has all these super strong windows, which they did, however, throw some steel ball at the window and it shattered.
Sure? Yeah. Oh my, maybe that was a little too hard. Try that on, really? Okay. Yeah. Sure. Oh, man.
So I don't know where that all stands. I'm not sure if that was the wrong window during, you know, the demo, or if it was the right window and it wasn't as strong as they thought. I don't know yet, but if they do get all the quirks and everything figured out, if you can throw rocks at windows, swing hammers, shoot the side of the truck, just imagine what we could put the truck through and the amount of abuse we could do to it, and it would just, I feel like, keep going. I mean, you take a 9mm and you shoot the side of this truck, it's gonna go all the way through, and then it'll go all the way into this one, and then it'll make its way out of this one and continue to travel through this one extremely easy, because it's just a pop can forward, and then it'll continue to go all the way, and it'll probably stop when it hits the gravel. I mean, in all reality, Tesla basically took a DeLorean and made it as tough as this thing right here. Imagine taking this and the Cybertruck and doing some like tug of war, or running them into each other and seeing which one breaks first. That's the type of stuff I want to try with the truck. Now, not only do I want to do crazy stuff with the truck like I do with all of my vehicles, I want to build it for the SEMA show. I know people have joked about it and talked about it, but are they really about it like your boy Bug? Imagine taking the Cybertruck and putting it on, you know, a 10-inch lift. Now, the Cybertruck already does come with air suspension all the way around, where this is just coil front and rear. So take that Cybertruck and you could put even a bigger air system on it, lift it like 10 inches, then you could do a set of 26/16 Fittipaldi forged off-road wheels with some 40 or 44-inch tires. Then you take your bulletproof, crazy military style truck, lift it up, and it's truly like you have everything in one package. And I do feel like building a Cybertruck on the channel and really making it unique and doing stuff to it that no one else dares to do would be awesome content for all of you guys. What do you think? Should we add the Cybertruck to the channel, make crazy content with it, build it up even bigger and more wild than this truck right here? That's what this video is for, you guys. Let me know. Me personally, I would love to see a set of wheels and tires and a giant suspension underneath that Cybertruck. I think a lot of you don't really like it right now because you're just seeing it in stock. You're not seeing it after Bugs took it and molded it into his own crazy creation. You know, this Ram right here, it's not the best looking truck stock. It looks, you know, kind of boring, but then when you add all this wild stuff to it, you go, oh wow, that's a pretty sweet truck. But before, a lot of people don't like it, and I feel some of you may not be giving this Tesla the best chance. Let me take it, let me lift it, we'll make it cool. I'm pretty sure we can make it cool, and heck, we could even change some of the body lines. All you have to do is grab a Sawzall. I do know a lot of my fan base is huge gasoline diesel heads. They love the sound of vehicles. Don't get me wrong, I do too. That's why I have both of these. This one sounds amazing, that one also sounds amazing, and they both get terrible fuel mileage. That's not why I am buying the Tesla truck. I'm not buying it for the fuel mileage or the electricity, whatever. I'm buying it more so because it's different and it would be crazy footage and content for the channel. I don't want you guys to think, oh, if Bug goes and buys this Tesla truck, he's gonna shave his beard and go get a barista job at Starbucks. No, I'm still gonna be the same goofy redneck Bug that I am right now. Okay, I just thought of another brilliant idea. Taking the Cybertruck and mounting a turret to the top. So now that we've, you know, talked about some of the key features on the truck, the overall looks on the truck, I need you guys, I'm serious right here, honest, brutal opinions. Do we add the Tesla truck to the channel? Now's the time. Take a second. I'll wait. Start typing. Say yes, Bug. Go full send. Get the Cybertruck. Let's see if we can blow this thing up. Let's see if we can jump the Grand Canyon in it. Do some crazy stuff. Or no, Bug. Change is bad. That truck's ugly. Don't do it. It doesn't roll coal. Let me know what you guys want me to do. And don't forget, 10,000 likes on today's video. I will match the Gallardo with the SEMA truck wrap, and then we will have the ultimate Wombo Combo Super Twinners. But you gotta give me 10,000 likes. Slade, honest opinion, since you just showed up, what do you think of the Tesla Cybertruck? Like, raw, honest opinion, don't sugarcoat anything.
I think it's kind of
Yeah.
kind of ugly.
Ugly?
But I'm impressed by the performance.
That's what I'm saying. The performance overall is so crazy. Looks like the brother just rolled up. I'm gonna see if we can get him to do a burnout real quick. You want to send a burnout for the vlog?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's get it. The funny thing is about my brother and his C6 is he thinks that it's faster than the V10 all-wheel drive Lamborghini Gallardo. I don't think it is. He's been wanting to do a race. Is that something we should make a video on? Who would want to see the C7 Corvette versus the Gallardo in a race? What is the weight on this car? Like 7,000 pounds? This thing only weighs like 1,800 pounds? Well, everyone, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you go down below and leave a big, juicy like for your boy Bug. And remember, 10,000 likes, we will wrap the Lamborghini to match the truck. Comment, do you think we should add the Tesla Cybertruck to the channel? Yes or no, it's cool, it's ugly. I want to hear it. I'm looking for honest opinions and feedback. I have tons of crazy stuff planned for the car and the truck, so hit the subscribe button with post notifications on so you can be up to date for all of the crazy future content. And thank you guys for your support. I truly appreciate every single one of you that watch the videos, like, comment. I'll be going through the comments and replying to a ton of you. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Your boy Bug is out. I love you. Peace.